Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about 10 home remedies for low blood pressure. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Low blood pressure, also known as hypotension, is a medical condition where a person's blood pressure reaches such a low level that it leads to adverse symptoms such as dizziness, fainting, nausea, fatigue, difficulty in breathing, and blurred vision. It can be caused by several factors such as dehydration, prolonged rest, deficiency in nutrition, lower volume of blood, heart problems, pregnancy, and neurological conditions. Some medications such as alpha blockers, beta blockers, diuretics, and antidepressants can also lead to low blood pressure. If you have low blood pressure, emergency treatment at home is extremely easy. There are several home remedies for low blood pressure which you can follow. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 10 of these easy home remedies. These home remedies for low blood pressure include both lifestyle changes as well as a specific diet plan. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 10. Have enough salt. Excess salt is bad, but on the other hand, it is required by your body in moderate quantities. According to the World Health Organization, your daily diet must contain 1 teaspoon of added salt besides what you derive from natural fruits and vegetables. In summers or if you exercise daily, keep some lime water with a pinch of salt handy. Salt works as an instant pick-me-up. Make sure you do not have too much salt too, which may lead to problems like water retention along with high blood pressure. A sure-shot low blood pressure treatment at home is to increase your salt intake. Salt contains sodium, and for people with blood pressure problems, a higher sodium intake can be a good solution. Thus, consuming more salt can help raise your blood pressure. Number 9. Drink coffee. Make sure you have a cup of coffee along with your meals. Coffee or any other caffeinated beverage can help increase your blood pressure. If you're suffering from low blood pressure, then having a cup of coffee in the morning can be an instant remedy for low blood pressure. You can also have it as part of your meals, especially when you're dealing with orthostatic hypotension. Caffeinated beverages like tea or coffee may help boost your blood pressure temporarily. When your blood pressure drops suddenly, a cup of coffee or tea can get your circulation going. It causes a short, but dramatic increase in your blood pressure. Although nobody knows why this happens, it is believed to help you improve your blood pressure. Number 8. Healthy snacks. The easiest way to treat low blood pressure at home is to consume almonds and raisins. Raisins are an ideal Ayurvedic remedy to help cure hypotension naturally. You can soak a few raisins in water overnight and have them in the morning on an empty stomach, and also drink the water in which they were soaked. You can try these for a few weeks and months. Almonds are another alternative home remedy for low blood pressure. You can follow the same procedure for almonds as you did for raisins. Number 7. Juicing. Starting your day with a glass of fresh carrot juice with honey can help maintain blood pressure since they help regulate heart and kidney functions. Beetroot juice again is an effective antidote to help stabilize your blood pressure. For people with hypotension, consuming 2 glasses of beetroot juice for a week can give you good results. If you want to learn recipes for juicing, we have a lot of videos on our channel, you can check them out too. Number 6. Drink water. Dehydration can sometimes lead to low blood pressure. Some people may have hypotension even with mild dehydration. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water every day. These will give you the necessary electrolytes required to maintain the fluids in your body. Dehydration is a common cause of low blood pressure. Pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants called polyphenols and may help you lower your blood pressure. One of the best ways to fight dehydration is water, so do not forget to load up on enough water for the day. You can also get dehydrated by losing water too quickly. This can happen through vomiting, severe diarrhea, fever, strenuous exercise, and excess sweating. Medications such as diuretics may also cause dehydration. Number 5. Eat smaller meals. You can get low blood pressure after eating a big meal, although this is more common in older adults. This happens because blood flows to your digestive tract after you eat. Normally, your heart rate increases to help balance blood pressure. You can prevent low blood pressure by eating smaller meals. Also, limiting your carbs can help keep blood pressure more stable after eating. Number 4. Drinking caffeine. Believe it or not, drinking a cup of coffee, cola, or caffeinated tea is a fast-acting low blood pressure treatment option. It can help get your circulation moving, and drinking caffeine along with meals might assist in combating orthostatic hypotension, according to researchers at the Mayo Clinic. Number 3. Change position slowly. How do you know when you should take steps to raise low blood pressure? If you experience dizziness, blurred vision, and lightheadedness upon sitting or standing, orthostatic hypotension could be the culprit. One way to combat these symptoms is by changing position slowly. Upon waking, refrain from moving into an upright position immediately. Instead, slowly move into a sitting position with your legs still completely on the bed. Stay in this position for at least 60 seconds to allow your body to adjust. Next, remain seated but slowly dangle your legs off of the bed. Stay in this position for 1 to 2 minutes before standing upright. Dizziness can also be a symptom of anemia. Number 2. Get thyroid checks. Thyroid conditions are very common. Hypothyroidism occurs when you don't produce enough thyroid hormones. This can lead to low blood pressure. A simple blood test can tell your doctor if you have this condition. You may need medication and dietary changes to help boost your thyroid function. Number 1. Almond milk. Soak 5 to 6 almonds overnight, peel them in the morning, make a paste and boil them into a drink. Drink this every day to prevent your blood pressure from falling. There is no cholesterol or saturated fat in almond milk. In fact, it is rich in healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids. Include this milk in your low blood pressure diet. Basically, you can add it to your cereals, smoothies, et al. And enjoy the goodness of the almond milk. While low blood pressure might seem like a good thing to have, a person's blood pressure can occasionally be too low and cause problems. In some situations, natural solutions can raise low blood pressure and relieve some of the symptoms that accompany it. In other cases, intervention in the form of medications and therapies may be needed to raise blood pressure to a healthy level. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.